Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am going to be recreating this Clarion vase that I saw on the Z-Gallerie website. And you see the price, $59.95. Now you know Mrs Vee is not about that life. So I found these two cute glasses from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use those to do my version of this Clarion vase. Yes. And this video is in participation with Yummy over at the Latino Next Door, her monthly Look for Less challenge. And this month she has a host. Every month she has a different co-host. For this month she has Nicole from This Week's Nest. So I'm going to glue these together and take them outside in a well ventilated area and spray paint them, and I'll be back. Decided to use some painter's tape to cover up where the two glasses meet. So that's the tape you see there. And so I'm going to go ahead and get these spray painted, and I'll be back. So this is the finished product. I like the way it looks, even with that tape in the middle. It gives it a little texture, but it looks a little plain to me. So I think I'm going to go ahead and add this diamond wrap in the middle. So let me know in the comment section, would you leave it plain or would you add something in the middle? Well, this is the final product. I love the way it turned out. Yes, especially with the diamond wrap in the middle. So I want to go ahead and thank Yummy and Nicole for hosting this challenge. It was fun. And I created this project for, I'll say, $4. $2 for each one of the glasses. And I'll say $1 for the diamond wrap. And probably $1 for the paint that I used. The paint was $6 a can, but of course I didn't use the entire can. So this is what I have created for the Look for Less challenge for the month of March 2020. And I like the way it turned out. So you don't have to spend a lot of money to get quality decorations for your home. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save.